Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will learn today Amazon Web Services (AWS) Cloud Computing Services. About Amazon Web Services and to create Linux RHEL, Linux Red Hat mission to create a VM at Amazon Web Services cloud, as well as to connect that particular cloud, that VM to from our local system to that particular VM at cloud place. We'll have a look into that step by step from the scratch to advanced to connect and accessing of that particular terminal. By using the terminal, we'll able to access that particular server where we are created at Amazon cloud place. Okay, let's see what is AWS. See, study here. Amazon Web Services is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform, offering over 165 fully featured services from data centers globally. Millions of customers, including the fastest growing startups, largest enterprises, and leading government agencies, trust AWS to power their infrastructure, become more agile and lower cost. See, you can observe that by opening these AWS sites, you will identify the leading of the cloud platform, largest community, customers and partners are there, and fastest piece of innovations, more secure, most often operational, proven that operational expertise about the AWS services, trusted by 1 million customers of all types of the users. And we'll see Amazon will provide 12 months of free, that is in a freeware is also cloud services. You can avail it and you will test it, the services, what are the free services are available, like operating systems, web application services and web services, database services, machine learning and IoT, most of the which are the relevant to the IT, web application and web development environments. All the tools, most of the tools, all are available at Amazon Cloud Computing with AWS. Let's see, glance at look at it. If you want to go with the license versions, you find out the pricing of about Amazon Web Services, and the products are available. Solutions are here, pricing, document, learn about the things, how to connect, how to implement the services. You will have it, partner with the networks, and these are the website they have given all the features. And we have enough facility to, I would like to explain you with the real-time scenario with Amazon services. You can create a free account with the Amazon Web Services. Like see here, my account, Amazon Management Console, account settings, billings, here it is there. Sign into the console. Once if you are click that sign into the console, it will redirect to the page at login page. If you are new to this Amazon Web Services, create a new AWS account. Click here at Amazon new account. And see here, AWS accounts include 12 months of free tier access, including Amazon EC2, Amazon S3 and Amazon DynamoDB. See, these are there is some terms and conditions are there, they have fixed, follow it. If you are an education purpose, you go through that registration, your own account, and test it with the 2 rupee testing with the payment gateway. They will test it. Once if it is completed successfully, they will give you an allow to access the Amazon Web Services account by using the cloud and all. See, simply create by using your email address, password, confirm password, and which name you would like to give an AWS account name. You specify here and click the continue. If you are having an existing account, sign into an existing AWS account, click here to sign in. Okay, that is the basic steps only, how you are creating an email ID. Such a beautification of the form they have given. Go through it. And we'll go to, once if you are created an Amazon Web Services account, go through by using that particular email ID and password to enter into the particular cloud account. I have given a username of my email ID which I have used to create Amazon Web Services, and my password I have entered here. Sign in. Sorry, this is saying that bad request, but something went wrong. Let me refresh. Yeah, now we will see. Demo password. Yes, it is in. From here you will see the live. What you have seen, that screen is it's a live scenario you are watching now. The services, if I clicked, these are the services what they are giving us. Go through it. These are all the services are available. This is a free account. For the testing purpose I have created to give these trainings and demonstrations. Okay, websites, storages, learn to build. You can also learn by clicking. These are the things you can click to learn the step by steps they have given wonderfully. Okay, recently visited all the services, EC2, VPC, IAM. Yeah, EC2 have clicked that EC2 dashboard. See, one instance I have created already. Now see here, this is the dashboard. You have observed that one running instances. Here the VMs, it will Amazon Web Services group of the terminology, they will call it as running instance, dedicated host, volumes, key pairs, placement groups, elastic IPs, snapshot, load balancers, and security group will have the different functionalities of this all the group for one virtual machine. And go to the instances here. Straight away I am I will demonstrate you to create an instance. Like see here, launch instance. You click here, launch instance. Here I am demonstrating you clearly RHEL freeware VM I am creating and show you in a demonstration. Okay, launch instance. If you are clicked and see here, free tier eligible. If it is in a free tier eligible, you go through it, or else it will be it may be charged. Okay, and I clicked here freeware, which are the freeware are available, free tier eligible. I am going to install like RHEL server. Okay, RHEL Red Hat Enterprises Linux 8, that is the latest operating system I am going to installing, that is the server. And 64-bit x86 I am selecting. Select. Yeah, if I click to select, the second step it's showing that choose an instance type. What are the type of instance you require? Now here there is a general purpose only. General purpose instances provide balance of compute, memory, and network resources, and good choice of many applications. They are recommended for small and medium databases, data processing tasks that require additional memory, caching fleets, and running backend servers for SAP, Microsoft SharePoint, and other enterprises applications. This is the medium and small companies, as well as education purpose, demo purpose to create the things. This is the sufficient, and this is the free tier eligible. And some of the servers are showing here. You type of the servers, you observe it, and the capacity of the memory. This is not a free tier. It will be chargeable, and these are the types of, if you scroll down, these are the types of configurations with the server and the different capacity of the database and connectivity of the speed of the LAN. See how many are there. Storage optimization. Okay, and go through it if you require. And I have selected general purpose and T2 freeware tier eligible. Review and launch is button is there, previous is there, configuration of the instance details, and we can configure it. See, number of instances, it is a 1 by default. I am not doing anything. And network instance, it's a default, it's creating. Subnetting, the default what they are providing the settings, I am not changing anything. Okay, and straight away in step 3 we are at configure instance details. And I have a button is a review and launch. Just click review and launch. Right away it's given in a step 7, review instance launch details. The instance is, this is the instance. See here, this is the instance, and EBS eligible only, and low moderate, and security group, this is the security group. Okay, and we'll start in a launch. Yeah, If I clicked launch, what it's asking, yeah, it's very important. Select an existing key pair or create new key pair. Once if you are creating in the first time, you need to create one key pair to connect from the your own local terminal to Amazon Web Services. By using this public and private key pair to connect the that particular cloud environment VM by using this key pair. For configuration of your local putty, you need to attach this private key stringently. For that, you need to choose if you are first time, create a new key pair, and you specify any of the name here. And once if you are specified name like RHEL, I am telling you RHEL VM, I have given a key pair. And also you specify your own name and download key pair. It will give you the key pair with the server attached cloud and your private key to you. It will, that PEM extension file will downloads to your local system. It's very important to connect from the putty to that cloud's environment. Okay, I have an instance that earlier created. I have choosing an existing pair of key pair. That is the name I have given RHL. Okay, and acknowledge that I have access selected private key, that without this file I won't be able to log into my instance. Okay, actually this is an important. Without that key we are not able to communicate with that particular server. Strongly remember. And launch the instance. If you are clicked launch the instance, see creating securities and grouping creating, and your instance is now ready. Very simple. It's a 2 seconds only. It's a created our instance VM. Okay, the following instance is launched is successful, and also you will observe here how to connect your Linux instance to your Linux instance. Yeah, here if I click that, there is a complete guidelines are there connected to your Linux instance, which one we are created at cloud. Okay, go through it. If you are I will explain you anyhow. Most of the systems in our area, we will use Windows system to connect to the Linux machines. See, connecting to your Linux instance from Windows using putty. Okay, go through the putty, there is an options, or else Linux or Mac OS, connecting using your Linux instance using SSH login. Also you will use the SSH login, or else you will connect to the using putty. See here, SSH, it's a key where you need to use it. To import that key, which one we are downloaded, you have to specify the SSH-I in the Linux machine, and -i and space the path of the file where you have downloaded that key pair path. The file key path, and EC2-user is the default user to connect to the Linux machines, Linux RHL like machines. And at this is your public domain name with the IP and the DNS name they will provide. I will show you where it is available. That's it. By using this command SSHI, you will able to connect to your Linux cloud machine. Okay, and we'll see. Yeah, I would like to see you in Windows putty. I'll explain you step by step. Download putty by using, this is the page they have given, and also check it, and straight away you will type it Google putty download, and the latest version 0.71. You click download here, and it will be download. And also you need to run the setup straight away. Click next, install the setup. Okay, and here once the setup is completed, you type the putty at search at Windows 10. Putty Gen Desktop, there is a key symbol that you need to click. Okay, once if it is clicked, the type of keyword is generate is RSA, you need to select it, and load existing and private key. Here you need to load existing private key and select all files. This is the RHL .pem extension file will download from the server once we are configuring the RHEL VM configuration. We have downloaded a file that is with the extension of PEM, name of the file, and click open. Click open that file. It will ask successfully imported and foreign key, and open SSH something here. Save private key command to save it putty's own format. Okay, save private key, it's important. Click OK and save private key. Click save private key. Are you sure you want to save the without passphrase to protect it? Yes, you click it, yes, and the name of the file which is the same, if it is the same which is downloaded of the .pem extension file, like so the same name also you can give. I have given RHEL, hence it is the file is created, and you can specify your own name. Don't avoid the confusion with the different names. Okay, you specify the same name and click save the location. Okay, if I click the save, see, I will save you once again. See, I have given load as an RHEL only. Open. Okay, the key is private key is saved at my downloads. I have saving the key here. This is the key, it is downloaded. Okay, once if it is completed, we need to open putty. The putty will open. Go to here and type putty. Putty. Take a putty desktop app. Here this is an app, and here that what we need to specify here, that host name we have seen here. Just a minute, I will show you clearly. See, this is the steps they have given explanations. Connecting to by using the instance. See here, for RHEL AMI the username is EC2-user, or root also we can use it. If at the first time the root may be not enabled, hence you will use EC2-user. Okay, and you need the name of our instance. See, your instance are now launching. Click here to initiate it. Okay, the instance is showing here, initial stage is running. Now move to the right side, public DNS. See, this is the public DNS is showing, and if it is the instance is selected, the description of the instance is showing here. So see here, public DNS IP version 4. If you are using IP version 6, you go through the next lines. This is the IP version 4 for. And you straight away take a clip of the copyboard icon is here. Click here to copy. These are the things to click copied. See, this is the address where we need to connect by using public DNS IP version 4. Okay, take that copy of this file, and here we need to type for, this is the name, EC2-user at putty, EC2-user user at the rate, paste the information of what we are copied, public DNS. Simply paste. If you are having an instance to type, you can type, and you need not to miss out the spaces, dashes, dots and hyphens completely. Dot and Amazon Web Services AWS.com. Complete address you need to type at the host name place, and the port name is 22, and using that connection type is SSH protocol we are using. Okay, and once the configured here that host name and port, you need to come to here at SSH place, that auth you need to select AUTH, and here private key for file for an authentication. Go to the browse, which the file we have saved while configuring the public key and private key. That file we have given some name of that putty private key what we have saved. You need to give that path and open it. The path is defined here. Don't forget it. Okay, and click now. You go to here, or else that straight away you can click open. See, now it will ask you security alert. The server host key is not cached in the registry. You have no guarantee that the server is the compute you think it. You click yes. Now see here, using username EC2-user, authentication was with the public key, imported open SSH-key, and it is successfully created with the server instance. This is my local putty I am using to create to connect the domain out cloud services. It successfully completed our task. This is the terminal. They are seeing that dollar symbol only. It indicates user. Click ls. Nothing here. Back one step. It's a home. Click ls. There is a EC2 user. cd space EC2. Yeah, EC2 user invalid directory. Go to back ls. See here, we'll go somewhere. Which one? cd var ls. Something is here. By using the user, we are able to seeing here, and I want to enable the root access to my this particular machine, virtual machine. See, simply su switch user password root. It won't take, just a given moment. I have a clean information about it. Yeah, sudo you need to use while we are commanding with the user. Don't forget about it. I have forgotten. Sudo space su. Okay, now showing that the prompt of root. Now I want to set the password of root. passwd space root. Enter. Change password for the root user. Give us a new password, and also give us a confirm password. Now authentication tokens updated successfully. Like what we are using in local terminal, the same process to applicable for this is the terminal for the Windows RHEL 7. That's it. Now it's completed our creation of VM at the server level, Amazon, by using Amazon Web Services. I hope you better understand, and you will have an idea to create an instance at by Amazon Web Services. That is the mission of RHEL 7, and using putty of our local desktop to connect that cloud server and able to access that with the practical knowledge you have gained successfully, I hope. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views with the services of any clarifications. We'll give you more updates and more sessions regarding Amazon Web Services and launching of the VMs and network communication and web services creations one by one in upcoming days. Don't forget to subscribe and share with the friends. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.